Hey guys, and welcome to a new video. Today is Thursday, and that means I'm going to start something new on my channel called 3-Minute Thursdays. Every Thursday, I'm going to make a tutorial around 3 minutes. So let's get to it. This is the effect that we're going to create today. All it is a blurred edge with some RGB thrown in there as well. I like working with adjustment layers so I don't have to ruin my original clip. So all you have to do is go to your project window and click this new item button and click on adjustment layer. Drag that newly adjustment layer on your clip and drag the end to fit your clip length. Let's go to the effects tab and type in VR glitch. Drag VR digital glitch onto your adjustment layer and go to the effects controls. Open up the distortion tab and drag geometry distortion X down to 0 and distortion complexity down to 1 and distortion rate down to 0 as well. All you have to do now is manipulate the color distortion to get a distorted look that you like, and you can also change the color evolution to change your distortion color as well. And now we want to mask this out so the center is clear. So all you have to do is click this create ellipse mask button, and we're going to drag the edges of this mask out to the sides. And now what we want to do is change the mask feather to 250 and then also click on invert it. That will clear out the center of the image and make the edges distorted. Now what we want to do is go to the effects tab and type in lens distortion. Drag on video effects distort lens distortion onto that adjustment layer. Go to the effects controls tab and change your curvature to around -15. This will distort the edges of your image. Now we want to drag another adjustment layer over our clips and resize it to our clip length. Click on our newly created adjustment layer and go to the effects tab and type in fast blur. We're going to drag on the fast blur effect onto that top adjustment layer and go to the effects controls tab. Change the blurriness to anything that you like. I think around 20 looks great. And also make sure you check repeat edge pixels, because that will clean up these edges. And you can also change the blur dimensions to horizontal or vertical, depending on what kind of look you're going for. Again, we're going to clear out the center by clicking on the create ellipse mask button and drag our edges out to the side. You can change this on a per clip basis. Once these are there, all we have to do is invert the clip and change the mask feather to around 250, and we are done. If you guys enjoyed today's video, be sure to click that thumbs up and subscribe, because I'm going to be making some more stuff in the future. I'll see you next time.